Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, June 27, 2023. It is 1:04 and 59 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cancer and diabetes. So let's hop to it here. Hidden mechanism connects cancer and diabetes. Date June 20th, 2023. Source, University of Copenhagen. Insulin resistance is usually associated with type 2 diabetes. Now researchers have found it in cancer patients and learned that it can cause cancer to spread faster. The sweet-smelling urine suggested that cancer affects the body's blood sugar level. But how? A new study is ready to answer that question, where previous studies have examined the connection between cancer and insulin. In cancer patients, the cells do not respond well to the hormone insulin. It therefore takes more insulin to create the same effect in cancer patients. If you suffer from insulin resistance, your body has to produce more insulin than usual to be able to regulate the blood sugar. And the body's ability to respond to insulin is impaired in both cancer patients and people with type 2 diabetes. Symptoms of type 2 diabetes, such as fatigue and increased thirst and urination, develop gradually and can therefore be hard to spot. And in cancer patients, insulin resistance can be even harder to identify as they already experience some of these symptoms, e.g. fatigue. Aside from the negative consequences of insulin resistance, the condition can also cause cancer cells to multiply. We know from cell studies, animal studies, and some human studies that insulin is a growth hormone and that it has the same effect on cancer cells. That is, a high level of insulin can make cancer cells grow faster. Of course, this can be a huge problem for cancer patients. Furthermore, insulin resistance can influence the buildup of proteins in the muscles. That is, if the body fails to respond to insulin, it will lose muscle mass and strength, and that is a huge problem for a lot of cancer patients. All in all, cancer and insulin resistance is a really bad combination. Researchers hope oncologists will begin to check patients' blood sugar level even when it appears to be normal, because insulin resistance can be hard to spot, as the body will simply compensate by producing more insulin. And if they do find that the patient suffers from insulin resistance, they need to start treating it. They are able to treat insulin resistance because they have in-depth knowledge of the condition. They are just used to associating it with type 2 diabetes. Aspects of the connection require more research though. The next step is trying to determine who develops insulin resistance. Which cancer patients are at risk here? Do they have a particular type of cancer-specific risk factors, or is it perhaps connected with the treatment? And once they have identified those at high risk of developing the condition, they hope to see more long-term studies of insulin-resistant treatment and whether it has a positive effect on the patients. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.